Hi there and welcome to Arvatech Webcast. My name is Heikki and today I will introduce you our new CCS range. This CCS range is made for single pump applications, and the main new feature in this product range is the size. These products are made for really compact applications where space is not available. So the size of this device is roughly 300 millimeters times 500 millimeters. So this fits to retail cabinets in size 400 millimeters to 600 millimeters. So the size is really small when knowing the performance of this device. So the top rating of these cooling rates goes up to 170 kilowatts and to cooling flows of 430 liters per minute. So really a big machine in small size. This product is made for tough applications like all Arvatech products are. In this particular case, we have even exceeded our previous, and we have modified the structure with this expansion tank design. So the expansion tank is, as you see, a very long one, and it is made to be part of the structure of mechanical structure of this cooling device. So this is really solid piece of cooling. Otherwise, the features are the same usual. So we have stainless steel heat exchanger here. We have everything in steel, stainless steel. We have the controls available when needed, and also all the metering and sensing. We have the same usual sensors for pressure, temperature, etc. in use. So really nice piece of art for cooling. If interested, please check our website www.arvatech.com or contact our sales guys in Tampere. Thanks for watching and keep it cool.